Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I have a quick unboxing for you. This is actually something I would call one of my unicorn buys because I've been wanting this for a really long time, and it's always sold out on the website. And I had an essay that I was working with in one of my malls that I go to, and they I guess because of the pandemic, they no longer work there, so I kind of gave up on having like a really good essay. And whoever took over her phone recently, I'm gonna unbox this while whoever took over her phone recently texted my husband because he was the main person on there, and they were like, oh, we want to invite you to like the jury event. And he said that we really couldn't go to that one because we had something. So he asked them to send him some stuff from the store, and then he texted me, my husband texted me and said that he got an essay now that wants to work with us, and was I interested in anything? And I said, well, can you ask him if you have this item? Because it's not on the website, and it hasn't been on the website for a really long time, and it's like one of the coveted items for a really long time. And he said he had one left, just one. I really wanted the medium size, which would have been the mini. I think it's the mini, but he didn't have it, so I got this one, which is fine because it'll fit a lot more of my stuff in it. And he wasn't gonna be there over the weekend, but we really had to pick it up right away because they only had one. And like I said, it's not on the website, and it hasn't been on the website for a long time. So we put it on reserve, and what reserve means is that the essay holds it on the side for you, puts your name on it, and you have 24 hours to pick it up. So that's exactly what we did. We went in there and we said that we had something on reserve by the essay's name. The essay was off on that day, so we had to see somebody else. So they went in the bag, got it. It's all like in a bag. There's like a sticker here that has your name and the reservation, and it just means that when they reserve it, it's yours for 24 hours. They can't release it or sell it to anybody else. And once you purchase it, the SA gets the commission for it. So let's get into what it is. I'm so excited. And here we go. I'll set it here. And here it is. Dun, dun, dun. It is the Nice BB. So it's the bigger one. There's 3 now. It's the BB, the mini, and I want to say the micro. And it is a it's like a catch-all for your makeup or your beauty products. And there we go. It has top handle and vachetta leather, and it's surrounded here in vachetta, and in the bottom it has some vachetta as well. The reason that I don't like that it has vachetta is because this is something that you keep around liquids like foundations and mascaras and creams and such, and you know, when you get the vachetta wet, it will discolor, and I hate that they really did that in the bottom. That's the one thing I don't like. But let's go ahead and open it, and it zips to halfway, less than halfway around the back. And again, zip is a little stiff, but once you start zipping and unzipping it, and here we go. The inside, it's really wide inside. There's 2 pockets here, another pocket right here, and this is, see, the Nice BB in monogram with $1,200 back in there. And then they have a little pocket here. I don't think I would use this pocket for anything except maybe like a card or something. Like, they have some cards in here. Again, the Nice BB in monogram. It's really deep, but I wouldn't want to distort it at all. And this is the same kind of material that they have in the toiletry bags, so you can actually wipe it off. Here we go, and here you go. And this is what I purchased, or my husband purchased it for me. And the reason I got it, not that there should be a reason, but I recently completed my master's degree a few days ago, and I was also promoted at work. There we go. I will put the link to the website, but again, like I said, it's not available on the website. Sometimes it pops up, but when you try to put it in your cart, it goes away. So they snag them up really quickly. It has the LV on here, and what I'll probably do is do like I did with my push-up Matisse, and I'll just put like a bandolier or twilly here to cover. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that part. I'll figure it out. But that is it, you guys. Leave me a comment below if you would like for me to do a review of what fits inside or what I put inside. I'm trying to decide now on ordering a vanity so I can get out of my closet, and then I'll definitely fill this thing up if and when I'm able to start traveling again. This will be my go-to. Again, I will put the dimensions below. Every now and again you can find the micro one that just came out, but I think you could just put like a few lipsticks in there. It's kind of not worth the price. This was $1,200. The one below that is $700, and I forget how much the micro is. But again, that's it, you guys. I'll do another review with what fits inside. I'll leave the dimensions below. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, take care and be safe, you guys. Bye.